It's raining! How about that? Whoa, and lightning. Did you catch that lightning up there? A little bit of lightning. 2 days now we've had rain. Today we have a thunderstorm. Yesterday was just a lot of rain. It came out all day. Oh, this is wonderful. I know some people are used to having water. We're not. We live in the desert. Only problem with this much water this quickly is it will cause lots of flooding. As you can see down there, it's already starting to flood, like the sidewalk. Over there is all flooded. The street coming down. It's got a good flood going down the street. So, and that's it. A little bit on the noisy side out here, but thought I'd give a quick little show here of some rain coming down. So, all right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I shouldn't be facing this way. I'm getting a mist. Bye.